Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Let's get started. One of the easiest way to take a screenshot is using Edge panel. To use this method, go to the Edge panel by pulling this handle. Swipe through the boards and reach Tasks page. Here, you will get this Take Screenshot button. Tap on it. It will save the screenshot. In case if you don't have the tasks page on your Edge panel, open Settings. Here, go inside Display. Scroll down a bit. You will find Edge panel. Tap on it. Make sure this toggle is on. Then tap Panels. Select the tasks page from these available boards by tapping on it. You get this check mark which confirms the board is added. In the future, whenever you want to capture the screen, open the Edge panel and navigate to Tasks page. Tap Take Screenshot. The palm swipe gesture is another way to take a screenshot on Galaxy A55. To use this method, swipe your palm on the screen like this. You can swipe right to the left or left to the right. While swiping your palm, keep the edge of your palm close to the screen so that it slightly touches the screen and bend it slightly like this. It will save the screenshot. If this method is not working, you can do a couple of checks. To begin, check whether this gesture is enabled. For that, go to Settings and navigate to Advanced Features. Here, go inside Motions and Gestures. Make sure palm swipe to capture is on. If you are using a screen protector, go to Settings. Here, Display. Toggle on Touch Sensitivity. Now, you will be able to take the screenshot using the palm swipe gesture. A two-button combination method to take a screenshot is an excellent option for quick screenshots. To use this method, you need to use volume down and power button. You can find them on the right side of the device. Now, quickly press and release both of these buttons together. It will take a screenshot. Best part of this method is you can use this method even on the lock screen. Another way to screenshot on Galaxy A55 is using Screenshot button. So, on a page you want to screenshot, open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen and tap on Screenshot button. It takes the screenshot. If you don't have this Take Screenshot button in the quick panel, open the quick panel by swiping down on the screen from the top and swipe down once again to expand it. Tap this pencil icon. Next, select whether you wish to add it to the top or full. Let me select this one. In the top row, only 6 buttons are allowed. So, remove the one you don't use often. Let me move the torch from here. Now, from these available buttons, tap and hold on to Take Screenshot button and drag it to the top. Then tap Done. Now you will find the Take Screenshot button in the quick panel. A long or a scroll screenshot is a method to save multiple pages in one screenshot. So let me show you how to do it. To start with, go to the page or an app you want to save the screenshot. For example, let me go to Settings. Take a screenshot using any of the methods shown before. I will use Quick Panel method. You get this toolbar with this down arrow icon. Tap on it. It will take the scrolling screenshot. If you reach end of the page or stop tapping the long screenshot button, the screenshot will automatically save to the gallery by default. To access the taken screenshots, go to Gallery, then Albums. Tap View All. Choose Screenshot folder. You will find the screenshots irrespective of the methods you have used. I hope you find this video on 4 different ways to take a screenshot on Galaxy A55 5G helpful. Please subscribe to the channel if you find this video informative.